Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and find out which is best for printing shoes. These 3D printers can be used in any condition to produce shoes, from running shoes to high heels and everything in between. And with that in mind, we have determined the 5 best 3D printer brands for shoes. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a massive difference in the performance of your shoes. To help you out, we have chosen the top 5 best 3D printer brands for shoes. Each 3D printer's output can be tailored according to the requirements of your shoe designs. It can also be used to create and customize complex shoe designs. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the Chidi Technology One Fast 3D Printer. The Chidi Technology One Fast 3D Printer is one of the most innovative and cutting-edge 3D printers designed to create stunning, high-quality shoes. With its fully industrial-grade structure and second-generation Chidi dual Z-axis technology, this printer takes your shoemaking to new heights. Printing shoes has never been faster and smoother thanks to the high-temp extruder and upgraded motion structure with linear guides. The iFast 3D printer boasts a remarkable 20% increase in printing speed, ensuring you can effortlessly print at an impressive rate of 100 cubic centimeters per hour. The beauty of the Chidi iFast lies in its freedom of filament choice. It supports many filaments, including PLA, PLA+, ABS, PETG, and nylon. Plus, the heated chamber can reach a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, enabling you to create manufacturing-grade parts that are strong and durable. The automatic dual extruder is a game-changer for those intricate and complex shoe designs. It intelligently adjusts the left and right extruders, allowing you to print manufacturing-level parts precisely. The pre-installed dual extruder offers a generous print size of 330 by 250 by 320 millimeters, providing ample space for your shoe creations. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is the official FullSun Delta 3D printer. It introduced the ultimate tool for shoe enthusiasts and creators, the official FullSun V400 Delta 3D printer. Brace yourself for a wild ride into the world of high-speed printing and mind-blowing acceleration. This printer is a speed demon, capable of reaching a mind-boggling 400 millimeters per second for lightning-fast printing, while its acceleration tops a whopping 8,000 plus mm/s superscript 2. Prepare to be mesmerized by the FullSun Speeder Pad, a sleek 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen that brings your printing experience to life. Crafted with 3K grade material used in high-end drones, this beauty boasts a 10 mm thick carbon fiber rod, aerospace aluminum housing, and POM bearing wear resistance. Say goodbye to frustrating first layers with the self-developed leveling algorithm of the FullSun V400. With 25 points of compensation, it effortlessly tackles any machining errors and even detects broken materials along the way. Unlock a world of possibilities with the bimetal 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, allowing you to experiment with a wide range of filaments like PLA, PLA+, wood, TPU, ABS, PETG, PC, and nylon. Make sure to dry it first. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is Flashforge 3D printer. The Flashforge 3D printer is an optimal choice when creating sensational shoes. This outstanding machine offers a world of possibilities with its cutting-edge features. Imagine stepping into a world of boundless creativity where your footwear dreams come to life. With its advanced technology, the Flashforge printer combines precision and speed effortlessly. It zips through prints at lightning-fast speeds, ensuring you won't wait long to see your shoe designs take shape. And that's not all. The printer's accelerated acceleration of 8,000 plus mm/s superscript 2 will have you jumping for joy. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, the printer speeder pad is a game-changer. Its vibrant 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen makes navigating the printer's settings a breeze. But what truly sets this printer apart is its sleek robotic arm design. Crafted from top-tier 3K grade materials, it exudes strength and durability. Embrace the freedom to experiment with various filaments thanks to the bimetal 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. From PLA to TPU, ABS to PETG, this printer opens up a world of filament possibilities, allowing you to bring your shoe designs to life with style. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the official FullSun V400 3D printer. If you have an insatiable passion for shoes and a creative flair that knows no bounds, then let me introduce you to the official FullSun V400 3D printer, the ultimate game changer for all your shoemaking dreams. Brace yourself for an exhilarating journey into a world where imagination meets innovation. With its lightning-fast speed and groundbreaking technology, the FullSun V400 shatters the barriers of traditional 3D printing. Imagine saving more than 70% of your precious time, thanks to its 3x48W high-power stepper motors and clipper firmware pad. But wait, there's more! This printer boasts a generous printing size of 5300mm x 410mm, allowing you to bring your shoe designs to life on a larger scale. And let's not forget the all-metal direct drive extruder and the 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, allowing you to explore many filament options, from flexible PLA to exotic materials like TPU and PC. Equipped with an auto-leveling system and a steel spring PEI sheet bed, this printer simplifies your workflow while providing a sturdy foundation for your creations. It's time to turn your wildest shoe fantasies into tangible reality. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Anycubic Photon Mono 3D printer. It is introducing the ultimate game changer for all shoe enthusiasts, the Anycubic Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D printer. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing printing experience that will elevate your shoe game. With its cutting-edge features, this printer is set to revolutionize how you create footwear. Prepare to be amazed by the jaw-dropping 9.1-foot 4K plus large mono LCD screen that boasts an eye-popping resolution of 4096 by 2560. Every pixel is infused with mind-boggling detail, delivering precision that surpasses anything you've ever seen. It's like having a magnifying glass for your shoes. Say goodbye to uneven lighting and hello to perfection with the Anycubic Light Turbo Matrix light source. This revolutionary technology ensures UV light is projected parallel and perpendicular to the LCD screen, producing flawless and uniform light exposure. Your shoe designs will be brought to life with impeccable quality and stunning clarity. Compatibility is critical, and the Photon Mono X2 has got you covered. Whether you prefer Photon Workshop, Chidi or Lychee, this printer plays nicely with all significant slicing software. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for shoes. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.